In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the income calendar in Simply Safe Dividends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to see your upcoming dividend payments laid out on a calendar, so you can plan your cash flow with confidence and avoid surprises. First, make sure you're signed into your Simply Safe Dividends account. Access the official website, enter your credentials, and verify that you're fully logged in before proceeding. Keeping your account secure is important, so only sign in on trusted devices and avoid sharing any personal information. Once you're in, you're ready to move to the part of the platform that organizes your holdings and income. Next, head to the portfolio area. You'll typically find it in the main navigation, either across the top or in a sidebar. The portfolio section is your home base for all things related to your holdings. This is where you can see which stocks or funds you own, your allocation, and the income they generate. If you manage more than one portfolio within your account, make sure the correct one is selected so the income data reflects the holdings you want to review. Take a moment to let the page load fully. You should see summary information about dividends and expected cash flow tied to what you own. From within the portfolio section, look for the income calendar option and open it. This is the view that lays out your expected dividend payments by date, usually organized month by month. You'll see specific days marked with incoming payments, along with ticker symbols and estimated amounts based on your current holdings. Use the on-screen controls to move forward or backward through months so you can preview upcoming income or review recent payments. If filters are available, you can refine the display by account or portfolio to focus on the sources that matter most. Hovering over or selecting an entry typically reveals more detail, such as the company name and the expected payment date. Keep in mind that the calendar reflects scheduled payment dates rather than ex-dividend dates, which helps you understand when cash is expected to hit your account. If totals for each month are shown, use those to plan bills, reinvestments, or withdrawals. If something looks off, double check that you're viewing the correct portfolio and that your holdings are up to date. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your portfolio, and view the income calendar to see your dividend cash flow at a glance. With this view, staying on top of payout timing becomes simple and stress-free.